I hope you guys are doing well. I have been receiving too many questions on my skincare, so decided to make a video on it. I have been using skin brightening bundle from Genfarm, जिसमें सबसे पहले Maxdif Brightening Face Wash आता है. It has done wonders for my skin. मुझे इतनी discoloration थी, hyperpigmentation थी, लेकिन इसके बाद मुझे बहुत असर feel हुआ. It cleans your skin deeply. Next we have is Maxdif Skin Brightening Cream, ideal for all skin types suffering from hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. It is a perfect blend of vitamin C and Kojic Acid. It has vitamin E. Basically, ये night cream है. So the last but not the least, Dermive Oil-Free Moisturizer. It is packed with the hyaluronic acid and ceramides and is perfect for the winter season. It also makes the skin smooth, plump, supple. Next we have is this Spectra Block Max SPF 100. It provides maximum protection, a tinted sunblock that effectively blocks UV rays and visible light. Doesn't leave a white cast and is not greasy. It's really important to use sunblock daily, so you must have it. इसके अलावा ये sunburn के against भी defend करता है. Thank you for watching.